Ground mount system gives you the opportunity to maintain the systems, keeping an eye on it and wiping all the bird residue off it along with dust and other debris.
And if you just look at this was washed yesterday. You can see how much dust is on it in one day. That is unbelievable. So that's just the environment that we're in. So it doesn't matter, clean it today and wash them today and they're just as dusty tomorrow.
110%. Ground mount is the way of the future rather than getting on the roof. The need to have to upgrade your roof sheets, then you have to remove your solar. But not only that, it's easy to clean. We don't need to get up on the roof and have to dust them off. It's a very dusty environment as it is, but being on the ground mount system, as I said, yeah, you know, we've got the luxury of just being on foot, cleaning with an extendable squidgy here. The maintaining of the system's a lot easier as opposed to having to climb the roof and run the risk of falling down and breaking your neck. Ground mount system's a better opportunity. There is no penetration through the roof sheets. There's no upkeep of the roof. There's no build-up underneath the solar panels, whereas on a roof mount you will get leaves and debris. You know, yeah, it's easy to maintain. There's no risk factor involved in having to climb a ladder. You know, the chances of falling and the like.
We're looking at a 9.3 and Thor has made the array, the frame itself. It's been hot dipped in gal. Then we put the rail on top for the solar panels to go onto that. So it's probably a little bit of an expensive way of doing it, but the finished product is absolutely superb.